Real quick before we start, as you guys can see, the Telegram be going crazy. We just hit TP on gold today. GU, we hit TP yesterday. You can see I share my trades before I enter so you guys can also profit off of these trades. Also Q&As, weekly webinars, giveaways. You can either see right here, or students, they be taking their trades on their own, making their first profits, etc. So feel free to join the community and make your first profit, become a profitable trader. So we start off on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, we want to identify the market structure. So you can clearly see we were previously in a bearish market structure, and with the break and close of this high, breaking closing above this previous lower high, we now have a bullish market structure potentially forming a uptrend. So anything in between this low and this high is still a bullish market structure. We can see all the way to the right, we had a internal bullish structure that gave us the setup on the daily time frame. So previously it was a bearish internal market structure because this low broke this previous low, but this high immediately broke this high, now creating a bullish market structure in between the overall bigger picture of the bullish market structure. So now we have found our setup on the daily. We can clearly see the impulse right here, breaking and closing above the highest point of this previous structure. The impulse is also all one color, followed by a retracement of minimum 2 daily candles, and they are also all one color. So now we go to the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, we want to identify our support or resistance that could be of influence. Now you can also see the weekly time frame is in a bullish structure. So now we have the daily bullish and the weekly forming higher lows, higher high, and it is now having its pullback. So anything in between this high right here and this low is still a bullish market structure. We want to identify our support or resistance that could be of influence. You can see this was the previous high, so this could have been used as support, but price is now all the way up here. But what you can see is that price is struggling to break this level right here. So we already know the weekly is bullish, it has its retracement and is struggling to break this level. So this would be the confluence that supports our daily bullish analysis. If you go back to the daily time frame, you can clearly see that the daily is using this level as support. So if I was to look to the left, you can see support, 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 resistance, but it has broken this resistance and is now using it as support. We even have this rejection candle looking like a bullish candle to continue the momentum to the upside. So we draw our fib in the opposite direction to measure the distance of the new impulse that is going to form. If we go to the 4 hour, we can see that price has already closed above this 61 level. Now what you can do is wait for price to come back below and close below the 61 level before going back up, closing again above the 61 level, followed by a retest to then continue the momentum to the upside. Or you can just place your order on the 61 because it has already closed above it, be tapped into the trade and continue to the take profit. So in this case, we're going to place our order on the 61 level and we're not going to wait for it to break back below and then break back above. So if we place our order on the 61, take profit negative 27 and our stop loss on the 88, giving us a beautiful 1 to 3 risk to reward. So right here, we have now entered this trade. And as soon as price breaks this 38 level, you can now move your stop loss to break even and it becomes a risk-free trade. Now you can clearly see price went all the way up here, followed by a massive bearish candle. That's why I say don't babysit your trade, because if you was looking at this trade and you saw this big, possibly engulfing candle coming all the way back down nearly to your entry point, you more than likely would have closed this trade. So just place your orders, place your alerts, and just go about your day. Let the trade play out. You can see price clearly went to take profit, even went way higher than or take profit. So this was the breakdown on gold, the 442 pips. Peace.